All right, guys, we are here in the Michigan UP at Railroad Lake. We've got the Coleman Crawdad all loaded up with our fishing gear, ready to hit the water, and hopefully we'll catch some whoppers.
Okay, step in the middle. That was very graceful. Are you going canoeing? What's happening?
Look at this equipment that we've been furnished by the cabin. The Coleman Crawdad and a canoe paddle. A trolling motor from the 1950s.
Hey, that's still a good brand.
Minota?
I've heard of it. I don't know if it's good. I feel weird in the front. I'm always in the back.
I know. I don't know.
You have all the responsibility.
I know. I don't know why you put me back here.
I don't know why. I think we're going to go in circles.
Yeah, probably. I don't know why you wanted me to drive. All right, let's push off.
But I think I know how to pilot a plastic boat. You have to put your motor in the water.
Well, we got to get deep enough. All right, here we go, folks. Hold on. All right, there's Sarah. She's running a spin bait.
Spinner.
A spinner. I'm running a bobber. So far, there's been no fish. There's been no bites.
There's been much seaweed.
There's been a lot of seaweed. We're gonna catch some. You just watch. We finally caught a fish. It's a little bluegill. And we gave up on the boats. We came to shore and decided to cast a line before we go cook dinner. I was so excited when I got a bite. I set the hook and I ripped a whole fish right out of the water, and the line is all around my whole body. But there's fish here at Railroad Lake. This little guy's going to be a snack for later. All right, let's see what you found, Sarah. Look at that, a little perch. Oh, good eatings tonight.
He's a little guy. Yeah, he's a catch and release.
Oh no, he's a good one.
No, he's too small.
No way. Put it in the basket.
We'll make a decision on him. Okay, calm down. To the side with the rod tip.
Oh, what you got there, Sarah? Oh my gosh.
Catch and release.
Oh, he just got away. It was like the world's smallest fish.
That's why he wasn't taking it.
Oh, what we got here? Oh,
It's a bluegill.
a bluegill.
Oh yeah.
Well, bam! We got some more bluegill. Gonna be eating good tonight, folks. Look at that guy. Ooh, yeah. They're otters. They're probably stealing all the fish. Are those muskrats? They had like a long skinny tail. Rough competition with those creatures. Look at all of these fish. So far we've caught 5 fish. Caught 6 fish, didn't we? Didn't we release a fish?
Yeah, we put one back.
Here, hold the boat out dry.
I'm still kind of questioning the sanity of letting you do the pilot when you have to steer from the back of the paddle. I really appreciate you making me get back out. I had dry pants.
Heard that, folks? She had dry pants. Now the pants are wet.
Notice your pants are dry.
All right, look at that, folks.
I just caught him.
That huge
I think we're gonna throw back some of these little ones. Our standards were lower earlier, but look at this one.
Yeah, so we've got great fish fried tonight. We got a couple big crappies, some big bluegills, and we got some perch too. Oh yeah. All right, Sarah has started a wonderful fire. We've got some fish. We're gonna do a little fish fry. Got some homemade fish batter. And basically what's in here, got salt, pepper, lemon thyme, and dill. And drop these little fillet in here. I have never cleaned a fish before. That was my first experience, so I told Sarah, I said, chew slowly, they're gonna be full of bones. I have never actually cleaned a fish. I always made my dad or my uncles or my grandpa or anybody else willing to do it for me. Let's pop these little guys in the pan. Ooh la la! So we've got 2 perch and 3 bluegills. This is the second batch of them. The first batch was so good. Ooh, look at the fish. Oh la la. These little guys, pretty darn good. Now, I think I did a pretty good job cleaning these fish. I had never done it before. And for me, the worst part was whacking the fish to kill it, because I didn't want to just leave it on the land and, you know, let it suffocate. That seemed kind of cruel. So I hit the fish, and then its eye kind of went, and that, for me, that was the worst part. You know, I kind of felt like I was murdering, you know, wildlife, but sure does taste good. And when you catch, cook, and consume your own food, it makes you have more of an appreciation for it. That is just top notch.